Ka jingri Dohkha ha Jylla Meghalaya kam dei tang bakalaroi Henry kalan nang Kiew bat na ka Jingla joga tenat fisheries ban penlong ya ka fish fest araja arpusan ha ka arpusau trigunai tung araja arpusan kum Mynta jong ka sngi jong ki nongri Dohkha ha ka ri kala pen shisha ya kata. Ya kene ka program la penlong da katanat fisheries haga jaka trekam jongka ka bah Shillong bat haka ne kata masa la wan ban Jylla da gi nongri Dohkha ki bala nang Kiew shaprang ki he officer jongka district ki riu shampang haka kamri Dohkha bat ki wei haka joka sngi la sam khusnam shaki nongrap ki ba pau nam na baro artli ki than khasi jaintia banagaro hills na East Khasi Hills uba bari lang Skemblon ula la ban penmi Dohkha hadu san point arsan metric ton hakabaw la kamay khatlai point khatlai lak tingka ha East Jante Hills District uba Lamsing Tensong uba la penmi hadu lai point san not lai million ki sembai Dohkha kabala penmi ya ka jingyo nong ka ba phla hadu nyopo lak kat baka kong danosha telang kabadeiru na East Jante Hills District kalau wan hakmat du haka Jingpynmih jingbam Dohkha daka penmi lai spa lai po metric ton baka jingyo kamai kabalong shispa lai po lak tingka ka Garo Hills kalau don lagi jong ki nongjok ujrang grim si marak na East Garo Hills ula penmi iwei point pranot metric ton ki Dohkha kabaka mai sau point san not lak kadbau almet moment ula penpoi point prasan million ki sembai Dohkha kabaka mai sanpo nyolak ka kerina marak kala poi sya ka prapo metric ton aka Jingpynmih jingbam kabala kamai saupuei lak hakane ka sngi kala penpauru baka kamri Dohkha kala la pan ai kam ya ka wei pakawei ka district haka baki district kila wanra ya ki Dohkha ki baki la ban ri bat ban de shaki yo ki hat haba ajing kran hakari ka sngi kumukongsan USC Sadhu secretary ketrat fisheries ulaong ka fish fest araja arpusan kadai ka jingra khi ya ka jing trash tom jonggi nongri Dohkha ka Jylla bat ka rensan ban penpau ya ka jingdon ka jing tre lang na lor kata ula pen sngo ba ka jing trash tom gi nongri Dohkha ka la penpau ya ka dor jong ka yo ka kot bat ka jing ya dei bat ka mariang bat ban kdo ya ka jingdon kam ban penduna ya ki Dohkha ki ba wan na Shabar ula pentep ru baka Jylla kala Kiew ya ka Jingpynmih jongka kumbasau hadu sansha habayo nujor bat kishipos na menswa Henry laipo hadu 10% ki Dohkha ki dangwan na Shabar ka Jylla.
And income generated was rupees 30.30 lakhs. 5 is 1.80 metric tons and the income generated is rupees 4.5 lakhs. And his income generated is 57 lakhs. His production during the financial year 2024-25 was 19, and her production during the financial year 2024-25 was 82 metric. To recognize the Office of the Superintendent of Fisheries, Southwest Governors District, Ampati and team in achieving fish production of 3,988 metric tons during the financial year 2024-25.
So this is a very important responsibility and challenge to the department in addressing and to live up to these expectations of the state in meeting all these challenges. Though we have increased our production four-folds or five-folds in comparison with the production a decade back, but there is a lot of potential in terms of meeting our own needs. Still, we know that most of the fish, in fact at least 30 to 40% of the fish comes from outside. So bringing from outside in itself is not a bad thing. But when we have lot of potential within us, so we have to explore the fullest of our potential so that our dependency on the fish which come from outside, which can very well be met from our local resources and our local farmers, should be encouraged and we should be utilized the fullest. So this is the challenge for all our functionaries, and as the director has wonderfully briefed and summarized the efforts of the department and various milestones and achievements of the department. And in fact the department is planning to come up with Meghalaya State Aquaculture Mission of 3.0, which is in fact by learning from our experiences from 1.0 and 2.0. So the department shortly come up with this new mission document, so which should address the challenges of our farmers in terms of the area which should be brought under the cultivation, and various infrastructure challenges and logistic challenges that our farmers are facing, and various technological interventions that are required to improve the fish production and the valuation and to reach to the markets, and all these issues have to be addressed, should be addressed in this mission document. So this is again, I would like to request all SFs and all field functionaries that this is the right time for all of us to interact with our farmers, to understand their challenges. Though we know what, in fact for the many of you are working in the department for the last 10 years or more than 10 years, but still it is our responsibility to reach out to them, understand what they actually need and how we should customize our schemes, our programs to meet the demands of the farmers is our very important task before us. And I am very sure that all our functionaries are working very hard, and with your efforts we should be able to address all these challenges, and we should be able to sensitize our farmers in terms of ensuring that up-to-date technology should reach out to them, all best practices should reach out to them, so that they can get the full benefits of latest developments in the sector. And we have seen that any sector, be it agriculture or the fisheries or any other sector, though we encourage farmers in general, but the sector is driven by few individuals who are of enterprise, who has this enterprising capacities, who are progressive in the terms of they not only cater to the needs of their own demands, but cater to the demands of the general public. So it is a responsibility from the field level, particularly SF level, to identify those kind of entrepreneurs in our farmers. Be it we have seen the awards in the fish seed production, fish feed production. So in all these sectors we have to understand, we have to identify entrepreneurs, nurture them, understand where they are lacking and where they need support of the department, so that we can give that extra support which will enable them to produce more, so that they can cater to the needs of the community. I am very sure that our department in the coming days, as the director has pointed out, we should be able to meet our own requirements through our own production. So I am very sure that this day is not very long, and in a very short time we should be able to meet that demand from our own production. At the same time, we have to identify, understand the potential of the department, of our state, in terms of ornamental fisheries, in terms of cave fisheries that we have, and all these, in addition to these traditional fishing practices, we have to identify and to promote the areas where we are better off in comparison with other states. And I would like to again wish all the participants, particularly farmers, all the best for participating in this event, and I would like to congratulate all the award winners who got awards in various sectors, various parameters, and I would like to congratulate Southwest Dohkha Hills for highest fish production. I have been told that in fact Southwest Dohkha Hills has a surplus production which has been supplying fish for other states. So it should be a motivating factor for other states which has this potential to meet our demand and to meet the demands from the neighboring states, to take motivation from this, and so that the production can be in other districts also can be can cater to the needs of the state.
Kamao award man kaba sakanti ko matelang ha aru makang chiba anchu sakanti ko nambate takang chinagata wa agana ha nambate kam ang imong department aw kita ba MCM 3.0 ko ba baching nagta menga aru ngandaki yarong ko chusukat nagta anchu sa
Got exam document 3.0 Kaba Jylla lab new academic technologies.
Repeated. So thank you to the government of Meghalaya, in charge of the department, Sadhu. We thank all the coaches from the district.
Thank you, sir. An important announcement. TA
Include Kamala Dohkha for accounts branch of the FFDA.
Formerly TA ko second FDA account section. SF sakanti ko wa nagpastinga beneficiary ng TA ko second floor FFDA accounts.
Smoke resistant for how many days? These are like big so this last 2 weeks. We have sufficient demand for it.
Nangkong nang chap ngai ngo yung play. Namar kijing sumar suker jonggu ini. Adu bangila banuan hang ne. Ko kumong piong kane. Deterrent office. Te hagajing sicha nganu du usnem khatar ngaslang ya kabanri Dohkha ban snai jipong Mynta ngadang yo ke skim Kaba arfi salak na Hyderabad na kumno na Hyderabad ngayo te Mynta kata ngala pentre ngala slang hi tang ba da kejing bembiang kelenti kesengking ngampat lah ban supply haduk kata andre kipung jong hang te kolong da ki lai hektar 100 hektar kewe ngarep lang bau Kaba kaneru pok khasantri kibreu na Shillong kin sowan cenga sete bantan plim tang banga ong hapendek naduk khasantri ngantung Kaba bu Kaba bak ke Dohkha ngan rilang onda dep ot Kaba ngan sependap angta ke Dohkha kayo bam kam he keloi pi kumta te kumpa ngan ong kejing mentoi jang ke Police Department naduk bangatip peniba ke Department kayarap yang langba kejing pelut jong ki bahaya
Another announcement,
kejing pelut
another
jong
announcement your kind attention
lada PE
for all the departmental
lada pilek
staff.
bin
There will be
ya kejing pelut jong ada nalade ngale ya kene amar kene kejing hikai ke bangayo hakapor ke bangadang sa cepo asam sete nilai dekadem kumta lai hektar 100 hektar sijakang jole kata kejing hikai ngayo nang te na Dakar bat ngapele na sete cepo bodar lahaleng kecunong jonga lahaleng East Jaintia Hills katana jongi gede ke umpiang tanah nisa habodar hapo fencing ngamdong tin sibon banong tangken yang ai kublei ya Fisheries Department baro kaki officer ya keren bat officer jonga ngaong pio buram nakamenta kejing lek sitom ke jonga kemen fishery spiritunen jonga ngaong ladang ngibaro ibadon hapo Meghalaya kitre kumbang atre ka Dohkha kan bun ang neha po Meghalaya jongi
ni de na po mingku se khot ka hat modon ni dan ka fishery city te ni layo jing yarap na ni stang na ru usnam mentala dan kumba nangam bakla ladan ni etraya jipot na mi ki ni penya ye kani ngaru ngadi ka khot jong kani por bang stang ye kani te ni stang dei baret menta pade long la kan le kanika director layar abun kenyangi bagi scheme ki jing I training nakabenta bangin la ban produce kini ni community ba ki por ki banang wan ngin lang la ban uplift ya ka ba di director ni da aji keren mo
Tray hakakam nakabenta ban pemi ya kejing bam Dohkha Kaskim kabe adai na kabenta ban the di commission bat pemi bat penbiang ya kejing bam Dohkha po district bat ha ki benta ki baper jong state do te nado snem arjar khadar khalai terter hado mentang la yai ban penbiang na kabenta ban shnai kejing bam Dohkha bat ngi pendap ru ya kejing Donkam jong district barabor man kapor bun kinong rep ki bam donlat ban thi di jing bam Dohkha na persyang ban ai kenang bakin yok persyang hadin nang ta kin sayok pantit kenang bakin tip namar babun ki priu jungi kim nang kim sngo thu kumno ban saban ya ki Dohkha kumta ngin hapan persyang ki te kaba kadu nga sngo dei ban ai kublei ya ka department bakala yalam ya ka department fishery bakala yalam linti yangi kum kinong rep jong ka district bat ka state kenang bangin la ban te ya ka district bat ya ka state ban penbiang ya la ka jong kari na kabenta kajing Donkam Dohkha po ka state kajing
is colleges no ay bumako amit pumun no M sam tu ko ang scheme ni ko mana ang product ka 57,000 ang share kana ta na maning mending kama changa fishery department ni officer ko aro director ko ang ding kama chama tenga kana mika ya award ko na ni ko aro ang mukangsi success na sisokani ko ma aro nam dapat na kita aro empu ko bat na kita thari na ko thari nga daw aro ang mukangsi banga ang na daw ta profit ko man na kita ang kadong swing yaksa na kana akon mutin
William Nagar East Garvis Meghalaya ni alonga fishery department ni Garvis so East Garvis ni na to produce kanyo pangbat mo yang nang award na ko man ha ang ni nato produce ka ade bisyo kiji hadasa pauna baterang mana arbanga salanti entry ka egonrang kona arbon baksana ngani pukri sambao camping site nako thalia jeta pade fishermen rang bisong no camping ka erang gona kata manje baksana kana mithela
Habatin pej bahagi kishab kashab plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batte yekamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya